What if I told you that you could create a blog, rank it on Google, and start making money, all within a few weeks? Sounds impossible, right? But what if AI could do most of the hard work for you? Many people struggle to get their blogs noticed because ranking on Google seems too complicated. They spend months writing content, only to see zero traffic. But what if there was a faster way? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use AI to create high-ranking affiliate blogs without spending months figuring it out. Picking the right niche. Choosing the right niche is one of the most important steps in building a successful affiliate blog. Many people make the mistake of picking random topics without thinking about whether they can actually make money from them. The best niche is one that you not only enjoy, but also has strong earning potential. This means that it should be something you are passionate about, but at the same time, it should be a topic where people are already spending money. For example, if you love fitness, cooking, or technology, that's great. But the key question is, are other people actively searching for and purchasing products in this niche? If you're unsure about which niche to choose, AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude AI can help. You can simply ask them, what are some profitable affiliate niches in 2025? And they will generate a list of potential ideas. Another way to check a niche's profitability is to look at affiliate programs on platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale to see what products are selling well. Keep in mind that the more passionate you are about a topic, the easier it will be to create content around it. But passion alone isn't enough. You need to choose a niche that people are willing to spend money on. Once you've identified a niche that balances both passion and profitability, you're ready to move on to the next step, choosing the right domain name for your blog. Choosing a domain name. Your domain name is like your digital address. It's how people recognize your website and remember it. Choosing the right domain name can make a big difference in building trust with your audience and ranking higher on Google. Ideally, a good domain name should be short, easy to remember, and clearly related to your niche. However, one of the biggest problems that beginners face is that most .com domain names are either already taken or very expensive. This is where a smart solution comes in, using newer domain extensions like .online or .blog. These extensions not only make it easier to find an available domain name, but they also work well for SEO. For example, let's say you want to start a blog about coaching and you try to buy www.buscoach.com, but it's already taken. Instead of overpaying for that domain, you can choose www.buscoach.online instead, which is still easy to remember and relevant to your niche. Another tip for picking a strong domain name is to include keywords related to your topic. If your blog is about tech gadgets, something like besttech.online could work well. Google doesn't rank websites just because of their domain names, but a clear and relevant domain can help build trust with visitors and make your site look more professional. Finding low competition. Keywords with AI keywords are the foundation of SEO. They tell Google what your content is about and help your blog show up when people search for related topics. However, not all keywords are equal. Many beginners target highly competitive keywords that big websites are already ranking for, making it nearly impossible to get on the first page of Google. Instead, the key is to find low competition, long-tail keywords. These are more specific phrases that fewer websites are competing for, making it easier for your content to rank. An easy way to find these keywords is by using AI-powered tools like Perplexity AI. Unlike traditional keyword research tools that require expensive subscriptions, Perplexity AI can quickly generate keyword ideas for free. The process is simple. Just type in a prompt like, "Give me low competition keywords for a blog about fitness gadgets," and the AI will generate a list of options. To increase your chances of ranking, pick keywords that have medium to low competition, but still have a good search volume. For example, instead of using a broad keyword like best running shoes, a better choice would be best running shoes for flat feet 2025. This is more specific and easier to rank for. Once you've selected the right keywords, the next step is creating SEO-friendly content that Google will love. This is where AI-powered writing tools come in to make the process even easier. Using AI to write SEO-friendly content. Writing high-quality blog posts is one of the biggest challenges for new bloggers. Many people either struggle with writing or don't have the time to create content regularly. This is where AI can be a game changer. However, most people make the mistake of using ChatGPT or basic AI tools for SEO writing, and then wonder why their content doesn't rank. The reason is simple: ChatGPT was not specifically built for SEO optimization. To rank on Google, you need an AI tool that understands SEO and creates content optimized for search engines. A much better alternative is SEO Writing AI, a tool designed to generate blog posts that are Google-friendly, well-structured, and keyword-optimized. The process is simple. Enter your keyword, one of the low-competition keywords you found earlier. Choose a 6th grade reading level. This ensures the content is easy to read and engaging for a wide audience. Let the AI generate the blog post. The tool will create a fully optimized article, including headlines, body text, images, and keyword placement. One of the best features of SEO Writing AI is that it can create AI-generated content that doesn't look AI-generated. It writes in a natural, human-like way, making it more likely to rank higher on Google. With this tool, you can publish high-quality blog posts in minutes instead of spending hours writing them manually. Publishing your AI blog post. Once your AI-generated blog post is ready, the next step is to publish it on your website. The good news is that if you're using WordPress, you can automate the entire process. Many AI writing tools, like SEO Writing AI, offer an option to auto-publish your content directly to your WordPress site. This means that once your blog post is generated, it can be automatically uploaded with the correct formatting, images, and SEO optimization, saving you valuable time. But what if you're not using WordPress? No problem. If you have a website built on platforms like Wix, Squarespace, or Blogger, you can still publish your AI-generated blog post. Simply copy and paste the content into your website's editor, make any necessary edits, and hit publish. No matter which platform you use, one important step remains: adding your affiliate links. Affiliate links are what turn your blog into a money-making machine. Creating a content calendar, publishing 1 or 2 blog posts isn't enough to grow a successful affiliate site. Many beginners make the mistake of posting randomly and expecting quick results. However, Google favors websites that regularly publish high-quality content. That's why creating a content calendar is essential for long-term success. A content calendar helps you plan your blog posts ahead of time so that each one builds on the previous one, keeping readers engaged and improving your rankings. The best way to create a content calendar is by choosing a few core topics related to your niche and planning content around them. For example, if your niche is tech gadgets, your calendar might include topics like best wireless earbuds for 2025, top 5 budget laptops for students, and how to choose the perfect smartwatch. By covering related topics, your blog starts to establish authority in the niche, making it easier to rank higher on Google. Additionally, a content calendar ensures you post consistently, which helps attract more visitors over time. Another benefit of planning ahead is that you can create seasonal or trending content. For example, if Black Friday is coming up, you can schedule a post like Best Black Friday Deals on Laptops 2025 to take advantage of increased search traffic. Consistency is the key to building a successful blog. The more valuable content you publish, the more traffic you'll get, leading to higher affiliate earnings. With the right strategy, AI-powered tools, and a well-organized content plan, your blog can grow into a profitable, passive income source over time. The final strategy AI is an incredible tool, especially when it comes to generating content quickly and efficiently. It can help you produce high-quality blog posts, find keywords, and even optimize your content for SEO. However, one thing AI cannot replace is real, human experience. This is the magic ingredient that turns generic content into something truly valuable and engaging. While AI can create well-structured articles, it's your personal knowledge and insights that can really make your content stand out. For example, if you're writing about affiliate marketing, AI can give you the basics, but your own personal stories, whether they're successes or failures, can add a layer of authenticity and relatability that AI simply can't replicate. People connect more with content that feels genuine and real, and by sharing your unique experiences, you can build a deeper relationship with your audience. AI can help you get started, but your own voice is what will keep readers coming back for more. If this video helped you and you want to see more, don't forget to hit that like button. If we get enough likes, we'll make another video just for you, diving deeper into more tips and tricks. I'm here to make sure you succeed, and with your support, we'll keep bringing you the best advice. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's make sure your blog ranks high and starts making money.